Cloud computing as we know it is in the midst of a digital transformation. As businesses continue to move mission-critical applications to the cloud, they require improved performance, flexible bandwidth, and more control than what traditional WAN networks offer. That's precisely why AireSpring created Managed Global SD-WAN, a fully managed, comprehensive, end-to-end solution for organizations undertaking the digital transformation journey. Let's take a closer look at the top 10 opportunities for you to join CTOs, consultants, and networking professionals in leveraging Managed Global SD-WAN from AireSpring. Power your solution with VMware SD-WAN by VeloCloud, a Gartner Magic Quadrant leader. Utilize a fully managed Layer 2 global private network backed by a service level agreement that replaces the inherent unreliability of long-haul public internet access to reduce latency, packet loss, and jitter. Build a hybrid network using a combination of a global private network and the public internet for maximal flexibility. Access multiple points of presence across the globe. Replace or augment expensive, capacity-constrained legacy MPLS networks. Leverage powerful orchestration and management tools to provide deep granularity and improved control. Connect directly to the cloud for enhanced application performance. Gain access to highly available, dedicated connectivity to and from locations in China. Partner with a single vendor to source, design, implement, and support internet connections for last-mile circuits globally. Be protected by proactive 24/7, 365 network monitoring and resolution, covering all connectivity, whether provided by AireSpring or other vendors. AireSpring's managed global connectivity solution offers considerable flexibility, enabling you to mix and match deployment options that best fit your geographic location and performance objectives. Combined with our global internet connectivity procurement service, you truly have one vendor for worldwide broadband, LTE, Ethernet, satellite, and MPLS services, all under one bill and one point of contact. Want to learn more? Contact an authorized AireSpring partner or call us today.